Hi, I'm Brad.
I'm Kim.
And we're 626 Ohana, California. And today,
we went to Magic Kingdom.
Yeah, so this is our only day at Magic Kingdom. And so we had to try to make the most of it.
So we used Lightning Lane and wow, we kind of overdid it a little.
Yeah, and we'll get into that here in a second. But we also slept in. We had a little bit of a rough night the night before, so...
With all traveling and go, we were exhausted.
Yeah, and well, we didn't get to bed till midnight last night, and...
Long buses.
Yeah, but we were able to get Lightning Lane and Lightning Lane Plus, and this is where our challenge came into being weird. Most of our day was pretty boring in the morning.
Well, we had a really awesome lunch at Liberty Tree Tavern.
Yeah, really, link our review down below, but it's really good. There's a few things that have changed. I'm glad that they did bring out the ooey gooey in the double portion this time.
It saved a trip.
Yeah. But, it's our dependable one that we always love to go to. And really, for the cost, it's well worth it.
So anyways, there we have to do a cast member shout out to Michael, who was our server at Liberty Tree Tavern. He was amazing. Yeah,
he really worked hard to try to keep our requests, trying to make sure we kept food going and...
Just fun to talk to.
Yeah, it was just a pleasure having us as our cast member serving us today. So we're really thankful. So what did we do after that? We really kind of just walked around. People Mover was closed for over half the day. So we were going to go on People Mover before we were going to go on to our first Lightning Lane, which was, of course, Space Mountain.
Oh, that's right, we did.
Yeah, Kim really wanted it, so we did that. And then we just kind of walked around and went to, of course, Carousel of Progress.
Well, the People Mover opened, and so we jumped on that real quick, and it was like less than a 5-minute wait.
Yeah, we went on the Carousel of Progress, which is always a great, big, beautiful tomorrow.
I just love it. It's such a wholesome classic, and it's entertaining and historical, and it's kind of cool.
Yeah. So we're wasting time for a reason here, because we kind of were collecting Lightning Lane Pluses, and we got into a situation where we had 4 rides in 1 hour.
Well, before that, we were going to go on It's a Small World, and it broke down while we were on it.
Have you ever been on Small World and it's broke down? Comment down below, but this was a weird breakdown, I guess.
It was, because we weren't quite inside. We were like just past the loading dock, which was probably good.
And the weird thing is it showed a wait time of 45 minutes. We're like, okay, well, it's perfect, kill time. We actually were on the ride within 15 minutes.
Yeah, it was bizarre.
And we waited. By the time we got to the ride, it was probably 45 minutes. But we were sitting there forever just trying to figure out what was going on. And boats were backed up all the way to the ramp.
Yeah, and so we finally got to go through the ride. They started back up and we got to go through. And then the awesome thing was they gave us a Lightning Lane at the end of the ride. So we were able to go over to Big Thunder Mountain and get on.
Yeah, so it gave us an extra ride, which is cool. We'll take, yeah.
Because it was already sold out for the day, or all of them were gone for the day, so that was helpful.
Yeah, so then we began our run, and we'll explain it to you right now. Okay, Kim, here's what we got. Did we just make that impossible?
No, we just upped the ante.
Just upped the ante. Peter Pan.
Yes.
430.
Uh-huh.
7 Dwarfs. 440.
Okay.
Pirates. 445. And Haunted, 455.
And dinner, 5:35.
You are correct.
Woohoo! We got this.
Let the marathon begin.
Ride 1.
Ride number 2.
7 Dwarfs Mine Train.
All right.
Yay!
Stunning. What?
There we go. You're not making more plans, are you?
Maybe not before dinner.
We're running close. We almost did it.
Almost did it.
I think if we didn't have that little bit of delay at Pirates,
we would have made it.
Yeah, we got the long side, which took us about 5 minutes too long.
Yeah.
So we commit defeat and go to dinner. Okay, as you can see,
a little tired, but was on backwards.
Yeah, Well, yeah, you can see that, but also as you can see is that we didn't make it. We tried, and here's the thing with Lightning Lane. If we did not have our dinner reservations at the time we had them,
we would have been all right.
Yeah, we would have made it right through, and we could have done those 4 rides. And Kim was actually going to try to add a 5th into the mix just to see if we could do it at one point, and it didn't work.
But like we said, if we didn't have dinner, it would have worked.
Yeah. So what were we learning about Lightning Lane? Really?
You can overlap and still make it, so
Yeah.
don't be afraid to overlap.
Yeah, so if you overlap those times, and if you know the parks well enough, you can really get through a lot of those just really quick. And in this case, it made Lightning Lane worth it because we got through a ton of rides where we really wanted to at Magic Kingdom today. And in between, we took on, well, obviously the Carousel Progress, like we said earlier, but also the Bear Country Jamboree, which is one of those classic.
It's just a relaxing place, and it's just kind of woodsy fun.
Mm-hmm. And I'm going to put in something that I found out about it today, right here. So, and listen. There's something interesting I just found out about it.
What?
This is that was the last show that Walt Disney worked on.
Oh.
He actually worked on it with Mark Davis, the Imagineer,
Okay.
for a ski resort originally.
Interesting.
California.
Oh, that would have been cool.
And he was known to say to Mark Davis as he walked out from Legacy, is he said goodbye to Mark Davis as he left.
Aww.
In the office, and Walt Disney was never known to say that as he walked out. Walt Disney passed away 2 days later.
Oh.
So maybe they should never touch that ride, or that maybe they should never touch that show.
I don't know, but that's kind of like, oh.
Yeah. Something a lot of people don't realize about it.
I didn't realize it. Okay,
So as you can see, it has a lot more meaning than we even realized to it. And so comment down below, what is your guys' kind of go-to cheesy standby ride to either cool off or just a waste time to go to at Disney World?
Well, I think we'd enjoy it if it wasn't just what we called a waste time.
Well, I wouldn't say waste time. We enjoy it. And
Yeah.
this is the reason we go to Carousel Project. This is the reason why we go to Carousel Progress and to Bear Country Jamboree.
Ugh.
And Bear Country Jamboree. It's just because, well, it's like that 60s
Yeah, it's
country
yeah.
cheesy. It's
But
cheese.
it's fun.
So really we rushed out of, once we were done with dinner, we were like, well, we need to do a couple things because we have to buy a couple things that we forgot at home. So we went to Disney Springs, and of course we wanted to go to Columbia. I wanted to get some shirts because it's my go-to store.
Yeah.
And Kim, we went to Wonderful World of Disney, which that place was nuts.
It was insanity.
Yeah, and then we had to get something for Dodger. Oh, we didn't tell everybody about Dodger yet, have we?
Yeah, I don't think we have.
We might have to put a picture of Dodger in here.
We made some stops, and I had to get. Unfortunately, the one thing I forgot home was my face wash. Bad thing to forget at home.
Yeah. So we had a really good time.
So we got back here. We're deciding to call it a night, somewhat a little bit early for us.
Yeah, we
have a big day tomorrow.
We got to the bus. No, wait. It was the first time we've ever gone and had the bus pull up. So I think with that, we've just had that kind of night. It's been a good night. We're going to get some sleep tonight and start out tomorrow fresh. So with that, I think it's time for us to say goodbye and
Find your magic. Bye, everyone.